If you're experiencing swelling, okay, swelling of any part of the body, doesn't matter what it is, it's an inflammatory response to acidosis. The body is full of acids, it's highly acidic, and in those parts, the body can't deal with the acids, so it's using water to contain or buffer these acids. So the solution to this is to go on 100% fruits. Do not juice, okay? Just go on solid fruits and add some dry fasting to it. A lot of dry fasting, 24 to 36 hour dry fast. So fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then dry fasting. The cause of this is because your kidneys are not filtering properly, which means that the acids are not being removed through the lymphatic system properly, and the adrenals are not working properly. So you want to get that in order quickly. You want to go dry fasting to get the kidneys to filter. You want to use about 3 different tinctures for the kidneys, and you want to be relentless. Add dry fasting, 14 to 16 hour daily dry fast with the fruits and nothing but fruits. Okay, living, vibrant fruits to move the lymph, and with the tinctures, and some adrenal tinctures, as well as some stomach and bowels, endocrine system, and avoid the lymph tinctures for now. Just go on 100% fruits, 3 or more different tinctures for the kidneys, and lots of dry fasting. And this should get rid of the real cause and give you relief.